All right, so for this one, what we're going to do is we're asked to plot this piecewise function. And piecewise function just means that from x from -9 to -4, so from here to here in the x direction, we're going to plot the line y equals -6. So this portion right here, this little line right here is y equals -6. That's what that means. However, what I want to point out is that when x has an equal sign, in other words, the -9 boundary has an equal sign as part of it, it's a closed circle. When it doesn't have that equal sign, it's an open circle. Okay? So now for the next portion of the piecewise function, we're going to focus on x going from -3 to 2. So that means we're going to focus on this portion right here from -3 to 2. And that function for those x values is y equals 1. It comes from here. Y equals 1. And remember that y equals the number is a horizontal line. We just graph it at that horizontal value. Okay. Now for the next one, we're going to focus on where x is from 3 to 8. So that's from here to here. And that function is y equals 4. So we have a horizontal line at 4. And just to recap, the boundaries for these, wherever there is an equal sign, we have a closed circle. Wherever there isn't an equal sign in the inequality, we have an open circle. And all that does is closed circle means we include that value. Open circle says we're leading up to that boundary, but we're not including that value. Okay? And that's basically it for that one.